Tara. This is my 2011 BMW M3 hardtop convertible. Today I've got new wheels finally. Well, they're not new, they're used actually, and I got a good deal because I'm on a budget. So I'm going to be repairing them and painting them myself. These are Apex Arc 8 wheels, and these are the two fronts which have the curb rash on them.
Luckily the damage isn't that bad.
Okay, so I just have some 120 grit sandpaper here, and I'm just going to start sanding where it's curved.
I actually found the sanding to be really fun. Now I'm on the second wheel, which has worse curb rash.
So I thought I was going to need filler to fill in some of these gouges, but they're not as deep as I thought. So I'm going to use this 80 grit sandpaper now and see if I can get them all out.
I was able to sand out all the damage.
Okay, now I'm just going to take this pad, which is equivalent to 320 grit, and scuff the whole surface so that the paint adheres to it.
It now basically looks matte black. Don't forget to scuff the other side too. Now it's time for a primer, but make sure you're outside or wear a mask because the fumes from the primer are really strong.
Okay, so I have masked off the two front wheels. So everywhere where there was black paint that was sanded off is going to need primer. All around there, all around the edges this one, especially there. And now I've got the two rear wheels that have been scuffed, but I didn't have to sand them, so they don't need primer. Okay, now I'm going to spray Dupli-color self-etching automotive primer. So you can see a greenish color now instead of silver. Okay, I've done my primer. This is 4 coats. Now I'm going to wait an hour before I touch it. Okay, the primer's dry, so now I'm going to take off all the tape and plastic. And I have to blend the primer now, and I'm going to use a 320 grit sandpaper.
Next, I go to the automotive paint store.
Okay, I'm going into Concept Finishes to pick my paint. I'm so excited.
I have a unique color in mind, but I know not everyone's gonna like it.
Okay, I've got the paint samples outside, so I look at it in different light. It's so hard to choose. There's so many. All I know is I wanted a bronze. Okay, I've picked out my color, and now they've mixed it into 2 spray cans for me. And I'm gonna also get this Upol clear coat, which I'm gonna use with a spray gun. And this is the best thing for wheels.
I'm using a 600 grit Scotch-Brite pad, and then I blow away the dust and use a tack rag as the final steps before painting. I lightly sprayed the back first. Then I sprayed the spokes in one direction, and then the other, and then the middle. I waited 15 minutes between coats.
Okay, the 2 coats are done, and now it's ready for clear coat.
I'm really lucky I get to borrow my friend's spray gun.
So this is a mist coat of the clear coat, and you can see that it's glossier now. Okay, this is the second coat, and you can really see the gloss now. Okay, this is 3 coats of clear coat. I'm done and it looks amazing. I'm so happy with it, but now I have to wait a week before I mount it on my tires. Thanks for watching.
Well, they're more of a mix between copper and bronze, but they're unique and I love them.